In late August 2025, the U.S. Army conducted a large-scale field exercise at the Grafenwoehr training area in Germany, demonstrating a major evolution in squad-level combat tactics through the operational use of the Switchblade 600 loitering munition. This exercise, part of the broader Sabre Junction drills, represented one of the first deployments of the Switchblade 600 under the Army's new LASSO program, or Low-Altitude Stalking and Strike Ordnance. The program aims to provide infantry squads with a level of precision firepower previously reserved for battalion or brigade assets, giving small units the ability to independently identify, track, and neutralize high-value targets on the battlefield. The Switchblade 600, developed by AeroVironment, is a man-portable, tube-launched system that combines surveillance and strike capabilities in a single platform. Designed to engage both static and moving targets, it carries an anti-armor warhead derived from the Javelin missile, capable of destroying light and medium armored vehicles. Its operational range exceeds 40 kilometers, and it can loiter over a battlefield for more than 40 minutes, allowing operators to silently observe and assess targets before delivering precision strikes from above. A high-resolution EO/IR gimbal camera, GPS/INS navigation, and secure data links enable soldiers to control the system in real time through ruggedized tablets, providing both intelligence gathering and immediate strike capabilities without relying on traditional fire support. The Army's push to integrate loitering munitions like the Switchblade 600 is a direct response to operational challenges identified in recent conflicts, particularly in urban and hybrid warfare environments. Conventional support, such as artillery or airstrikes, often involves lengthy coordination and delays, limiting the responsiveness of infantry units in fast-moving situations. Loitering munitions, on the other hand, allow squads to react almost instantly, reducing collateral damage risks and enabling precise engagement of high-value targets with minimal logistical requirements. The persistent ISR capability of these systems further enhances situational awareness, providing squads with real-time intelligence that can be converted into rapid, effective strikes. Lessons learned from global conflicts over the past decade have underscored the disruptive potential of loitering munitions. In theaters ranging from Ukraine to the Caucasus, small units armed with these systems have repeatedly demonstrated the ability to offset the advantage of larger, mechanized forces. By combining stealth, endurance, and lethality, these systems have allowed numerically inferior forces to hold terrain, disrupt supply lines, and neutralize key enemy assets. Recognizing the significance of this tactical evolution, the U.S. Army has moved quickly to adopt loitering munitions, ensuring that infantry units remain capable of independent action without over-reliance on traditional, high-level support mechanisms. During the Grafenwoehr exercises, infantry squads employed the Switchblade 600 not only against enemy armor but also to suppress simulated command elements, disrupt logistics nodes, and deny control of key terrain. The system's portability allowed troops to launch and maneuver while remaining concealed, demonstrating the advantages of fire-and-forget operations from covered positions. The combination of reconnaissance, targeting, and strike in a single, lightweight system enables squads to conduct complex operations that would previously have required coordination with higher headquarters or air support. The LASSO program, managed by the Army's Rapid Capabilities and Critical Technologies Office, was initiated in 2023 to provide light infantry units with organic precision strike options. Unlike traditional acquisition pathways, LASSO focuses on rapid prototyping and fielding, bypassing extended procurement timelines. Its primary goal is to deliver low-signature, loitering strike systems that can be operated effectively at the squad and platoon level with minimal training and without reliance on external artillery or air assets. This approach represents a paradigm shift in how small units conduct combat operations, transforming them into autonomous strike teams capable of quickly exploiting emerging opportunities on the battlefield. At the heart of LASSO is the principle that infantry squads should be self-sufficient in finding, fixing, and finishing targets using integrated sensors and weapons. This concept extends beyond traditional infantry roles, empowering squads to engage enemy armor, soft-skinned vehicles, and high-value targets well beyond the range of conventional small arms. The Switchblade 600 was selected as the flagship system due to its operational maturity, adaptability to dismounted operations, and proven performance in real-world scenarios. Its modular design and compatibility with soldier-borne sensors, tactical radios, and ruggedized control devices ensure seamless integration into modern multi-domain operations, including GPS-degraded or communications-contested environments. What distinguishes the LASSO program is its focus on operational flexibility and rapid employment. Soldiers are trained to carry, launch, and execute strikes independently, even in austere or dynamically changing environments. The integration of intuitive targeting workflows and automated guidance systems reduces cognitive load during high-stress engagements, allowing small units to operate effectively under pressure. These features enable squads to respond instantly to battlefield developments, maintaining tactical initiative while minimizing risk to personnel. The system's ability to loiter silently over the battlefield also provides persistent surveillance, which can be leveraged to support broader operational planning or immediate strikes depending on emerging threats. The operational impact of LASSO is already evident from live force exercises. By combining reconnaissance and strike in a single platform, the program transforms the infantry squad into a more capable, versatile unit. Rather than waiting for external fire support or relying solely on indirect weapons, squads can independently engage targets with pinpoint precision. This shift enhances survivability, lethality, and adaptability in complex operational environments, ensuring that U.S. Army forces maintain a decisive edge against potential adversaries who continue to invest in anti-access and area denial capabilities. The fielding of the Switchblade 600 under LASSO represents a broader transformation in U.S. Army doctrine, emphasizing decentralized, squad-level precision strike. As modern battlefields become increasingly complex and fluid, the ability of small units to act autonomously while maintaining operational security and efficiency becomes critical. Loitering munitions like the Switchblade 600 provide both the technological and tactical means to achieve this objective, allowing infantry squads to operate as independent strike teams capable of executing missions that would have previously required battalion-level coordination. In conclusion, the integration of the Switchblade 600 loitering munition through the LASSO program marks a significant evolution in ground warfare for the U.S. Army. By equipping infantry squads with organic precision strike capabilities, the Army is redefining small unit operations and enhancing the ability of light forces to operate autonomously in fast-moving, high-risk environments. The combination of stealth, endurance, and precision offered by loitering munitions ensures that future U.S. ground forces remain agile, lethal, and adaptable, able to counter emerging threats while maintaining dominance on tomorrow's battlefield. The LASSO program is not merely a technological upgrade, it is a doctrinal shift that transforms the infantry squad into a self-reliant, high-impact force capable of shaping outcomes independently of traditional support structures.